Why is Flux Mystiq the best way to remove dirt? This is the information you need to know. Flux Mystiq is a tar and glue mark remover is a practical and very effective solution for quickly removing asphalt dust contamination, sticker glue marks, contamination from adhering insects, tree sap, oil splashes, etc. Flux Mystiq is also good for cleaning white residue deposits from polishing, wax or silicone marks on rubber parts and plastic trim. Flux Mystiq just spray and wipe and does not leave damaging stains or spots, does not damage anything, and is also safe to use on paint and glass. Very easy and effective, right? This is the advantages of using Flux Mystiq. First, safe to use on nano-ceramic coating, remove sticky residue and stains and dirt. Lastly, fast performance, and does not damage the car paint.
For more information, contact our admin.
Hurry, visit Premio Malaysia for more info.